LockUp E. Indicators, maintenance, and battery replacement. Your employee function lock has both audible and visual indicators, showing if the lock is in use. An incorrect or correct code is entered. Also, the maintenance needs of the lock. If you receive no audible or visual feedback when a registered manager flex key is used, check if the contacts in the key insert are free of corrosion and dirt to ensure a proper connection between lock and key. To clean the contacts, use a cotton swab and a drop of rubbing alcohol to gently remove any corrosion or black spots. After 3 incorrect entries, the lock will enter a sleep state. Wait 1 minute and enter the correct code, or use the Manager Flex key to open the lock. If your lock emits a binding indicator during operation, the lock is binding with the strike plate or locker contents. To open the lock, press on the lock side of the door to relieve binding and open the lock. To prevent binding, check the following: locker contents, over-tightened nuts, the door thickness, versus the mounting insert of the lock. When the lock emits a low battery warning, replace the batteries immediately. If the batteries are too low to operate the lock with a code, or there is no audible feedback when pressing the C button, use your Manager Flex key to gain access. Hold the key in place for 30 seconds, remove and immediately reinsert. To change the batteries, you will need 2 9-volt high-alkaline batteries, a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver, a micro-slotted screwdriver, and your Manager Flex key. Once you have gained access to the back of the lock, use the screwdrivers to remove the cover plate. Change the batteries. Make sure the wires are free of the lock housing. Reattach the cover plate with the 3 small screws. Press the C button, listening for audible feedback. Test the batteries by operating the lock with the code.